Okay, so we've seen these bird scooters popping up everywhere. And so undoubtedly somebody's going to get hurt with one. That's great news for attorneys. Bad news for clients, obviously. Sorry about that. Obviously the area of law here is tort law. So if we were looking for a treatise on Westlaw for our state, we could go right to state materials. I'm going to choose Michigan and then go down to secondary materials and see what they have. Now again, I've said this before, they don't have a lot, but there is, by the way, Michigan Civil Jurisprudence is an encyclopedia. So you could use that, but we're going to get more to that later on. If you find a treatise written by an expert, that's the best here. The next best thing here would be this treatise, Michigan Pleading and Practice. So we have all the three different ways to access secondary authority here. We have the table of contents right in the middle of the screen here, the different parts. Then we have the index here over on the right where my head was. And then, of course, the search bar. So I'm just going to put in negligence elements. All right, comparative negligence, that's not our issue here. Serious impairment, that's a no-fault insurance issue. Elements of negligence case to be alleged. Let's see what that looks like. The essential elements of pleading a cause of action in negligence consist of the duty, the breach, the defendant's breach was the proximate cause, and the nature and extent of the injury or damage. There we go. Now look at this. See all these little footnotes? See all that great, beautiful primary authority? That's the stuff you can actually cite in your brief or your memo, your client letter. And if we scoot to the bottom, that's where you can see all of the primary authority all in one place. So there's your answer to the element. So we used this Michigan Pleading and Practice for Michigan to find it. So anyway, there you go. See ya.